How to turn off targeted ads on the iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off targeted ads on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. This is where you'll find all the settings related to your device's privacy features. Inside the Privacy and Security menu, scroll down and tap on Apple Advertising. This section controls how Apple uses your data to show you personalized ads. You'll see an option called Personalized Ads. Simply toggle this off. When you disable this feature, Apple will stop using your information to deliver targeted ads. Keep in mind that you'll still see ads, but they won't be tailored to your interests or browsing history. For even more control, you can also limit ad tracking across apps. Go back to the Privacy and Security menu and tap on Tracking. Here, you'll see an option called Allow Apps to Request to Track. Toggle this off to prevent apps from tracking your activity for advertising purposes. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully turned off targeted ads on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.